Hi there, and welcome to this episode. I'm going to talk about gratitude today. How gratitude aligns you to your goal. Okay, gratitude how aligns you to your goal. Being grateful for things that you already have is easy. You're aligned to it. Just like when you want something that you already have, you don't go, I want it, I want it, I want it. You say, or do what it is that you need to do. You go, you grab it, you're grateful for it. If you're new to this channel, we talk about consciousness, law of attraction, and reaching your dreams. Okay? Well, we've talked about gratitude before. We've talked about gratitude, how gratitude gets you in a high vibration. I recommend everybody wake up and do gratitude. The first thing in the morning, wake up, drink your water, use the restroom if you have to. If not, sit down, get your coffee, start writing down gratitude. I'm grateful for the coffee. I'm grateful I'm awake. I'm grateful I woke up. I'm grateful I have a bed. Whatever it is, because if tomorrow, say you get $1 million today. I got this from Brad Lee. I heard it from Brad Lee, but I've heard a lot of people say it as well. Say you got $1 million today, or that house or that Ferrari, but tomorrow you're dead, gone. Life is the gift. Work is the gift. Okay. Now, there's a quote that I read that really resonated with me, and it said, we attract what we already have. Birds of a feather flock together. So what you are is what you attract. That's how the law of attraction works. You know, whatever frequency you're on, that's what you're going to attract. So if you want something, you use gratitude and say it as it is done. Meaning say it in present tense. Say, I am grateful I have fill in the blank. Whatever it is, whatever the fuck it is. Say thank you. And then there's another quote that resonated with me. I'm going to put the quotes below that said, for a new belief or for a new idea to be energized, it has to be familiarized with you. And you familiarize yourself something with time. You get familiar with people, with things over time. When you first do something, you're not really comfortable with it. You're not familiar with it. You have to spend time with it. So write down your quotes of wisdom, write down your affirmations and review them every morning. Okay, I'm doing it myself. There's actually two. I'm gonna share them with you. A life lived for others is a life truly worth living. And that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here with you to share this information. So I want you to achieve your dreams. And the other one is, the man who takes pride in the steps to achieve the result more than achieving the result is unstoppable. I'm going to say it again. The man who has more pride in the steps to achieving a result more than the result itself is unstoppable. Focus on the steps, be grateful, see it as already done, and enjoy the steps, enjoy the work, because the work is a gift. These ideas resonated with me this morning. But now let's reverse engineer. The goal, what is it? Ask yourself these questions when you're alone. Write them down. What do I really want? What also helps is what you don't want, what you really don't want, okay? Bad health, no money, no girlfriends. So what's the opposite of that? Good fucking health, a lot of fucking money, and a lot of fucking women, or just one if you want to get married, okay? So I hope you like this one. There's more resources in the description below. Check them out. I laid them out for you. Everything from drip to books to programs that have helped me in my life. Okay, now I gotta get out of here. Till next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.